Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you another kit from your creative studio. And here is the thank you card. And as you can see, this is going to be the theme and the color. And right here, it says clean stamp. And let's open it. And here it is. It's like a corner with flowers. And it looks like this. So I'm going to test it and show you how it stamps at the end. Here is another clean stamp. And there are three right here. Little flower. Then you have these two right here where you can put a name or something in the center. And another flowers right here. Then here is another stamp. And look at this one. It's beautiful. Very nice. See? And here is another package, and it says masking tape. And I think it's like washi tape. And it looks like this. See? Then right here there is a package. And let me see. Beautiful paper in the back. And these are like vellum. Can you see my finger in the back? It's vellum and they are stickers. Very, very nice. You don't need to glue them. Has just adhesive in the back. See? So you have these kind of tickets. You have some ovals. This. It will look very nice on a paper. See? And here is another package, and I'm going to show you. These are ephemera of postcards. You can tear them and you can use them in your journal. I would like to make some for card making too. Look, this one looks like embossed, but it's not. It's not embossed. They have different designs. See? Then they have these stickers. Look, vellum stickers, like stamps. Then this one is texture. You can see it's texture, and these are stickers. See? Then right here there is a lot of these ephemera, and they look like little tags just to embellish. See? A lot of these little like tags that you can put here and there. Very nice. See? Very small. But it's so cute to add embellishments like this size in your project. See? Then right here there is this set of papers, and here are some tags. Yeah, and these are just papers, and it has these seals that says the days of the week and some labels. See? And right here there are some papers with calligraphy, like letters. Beautiful, right? And then there is this paper that is textured. This one too. So these are specialty papers. And this one. Then right here I have another set of papers. And it comes in this beautiful packaging. And there are these little papers right here. These are square ones. And it comes with some vellum paper. Then right here, this one is a bigger size, and it comes with the vellum paper as well. Then this one in different colors, and also with some vellum paper. Look, so beautiful. See? And then right here, these ones. And I think the vellum papers are the same design as the papers, but it looks more soft. Look, beautiful. And the last ones, very shabby. Lots of flowers, and they are very delicate. Look how beautiful. And then right here we have ribbon transfer stickers, and you can see comes with this little palette. See? And there are 3, and I think they are the same, but this one works like this. See, first you have to cut the design that you want to use. For example, if you want to use this one, you have to cut this part, and then when you already cut, you get the backing, and then apply this one like a sticker on top of your card or your page, and then you're going to rub with this one so the image can stay. Do not try to use the whole thing and just rub one thing, because then this one is sticky and you're going to lose some of them in the page. So you need to cut the part that you're going to use. See, for example, you want to use this flower, you have to cut around and then use the flower only. See, then right here we have stencils. And this one you can use it with ink pads or paint, or you can use it with texture. See, there is these two designs, look. And you can use just one part of this one. You don't have to use the whole thing, see? Now the last one is this paper that comes 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern paper. And all of them are the same design. See? All the kinds of papers are with the same designs. I'm going to open it. And look at these, so beautiful. So I'm going to show you the first 6 designs, because those are going to be the same in the other kind of papers. And we have this. We have this beautiful one. And this one right here. This one. And this one. Then it's going to be the same with a different texture. These are more flimsy, so I think this is the pattern paper. And then we have this one that are like the texture. So the first one maybe is the sticker paper. See? And last we have the vellum paper. And look. See? And it looks the same, but you can put something behind. See? But it looks softer. See? So it's the same designs. See? Very nice. And the last one is this. And these are all the papers that goes in this package. And now I'm going to show you the sample of the stamps. And this is how they look when you stamp with black ink only. And the other one, I use my ink padding color and also some markers to color the little details inside. And it looks amazing because you can make the colors of the papers and make a matching details using these stamps. They look very beautiful. As you can see, all the floral designs are matching in color and the style, and I love it for journal, for planners, even if you want to decorate a card or embellish a mini album. These are perfect for many projects. If you like this kit, you can find the link in the description box. And also when you go to the store, you will find many different kinds of kits and different colors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for all your likes, your comments, and for being a subscriber on my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.